G'day folks, just thought I'd give you a quick little update on what's happening at the moment. Good news is the Range Rover is sold. I really wish I could keep it, but I just can't justify the money now that I'm presented with a Jaguar. Well, it was presented to me a while ago, and hey, I'm going to take it and I'm going to spend all the money I can on it because that is a nice collectible car. Range Rovers aren't so collectible, and yeah, they're a bit of a boat to drive, whereas the Jag Series 1 is just a dream to drive. So the Range is going. It's a friend of mine and friend of Brad's, so he's going to take that stainless steel bandsaw that's buried in there as well as part of the deal. I'm getting all my money back on the Range Rover, or well, most of the money back on the Range Rover, and selling the saw for $200. So he's getting a bargain on both of them. But that's how I work. I don't want to rip people off for as much as I possibly can, even though I consider myself a capitalist. I can charge however much I want, but I still look after my friends. So just keep that in mind. Pink bits are still in here. I'm going to find a place to put that thing and get rid of the pink bits. Probably put that down next to the Toyota engine for now. Some more goodies to play with from a friend. He bought a place from, I think they moved to Germany or somewhere, but the son was a bit intellectually disabled, so all he did was play with electronics and stuff. So there's boxes and boxes of crap. Like, most of it's rubbish, but a lot of audio gear, CB stuff, that sort of thing. We just got to sort through it and find what's good and what's not. Also got some armor flex off him. A little bit of rust in it, but I'll cut it back till I find clean material. It's UV light proof, so I'll probably run some power cables outside with that stuff. Not cheap either. It's actually very expensive to buy armor flex. Good quality stuff. Yeah, so that's about it. I'll attach a video from yesterday when I was half asleep trying to play with a laptop and get it back together again, and see how we go. Also look forward for one on the video on the Variac. That's done now, and that works. Yeah, that's about it for now. It's still early in the week. I'll probably go back to Brad's place this weekend to do some more work on the Jag. I've got to fix the driver's seat issue and vacuum lines for the heating and air conditioning system. And speaking of air conditioning, since I have funds to pay for the Jag by selling the Range Rover, I might actually put some air conditioning parts on order, like a new compressor. Or we don't need a compressor, but we need to get some hoses made up and get the condenser in. So we could even look at getting the aircon done very soon. Not that it needs to be done, we're just in winter now, it's freezing out here. But it'd be nice to get the air conditioning done in time for summer anyway, so we'll look at that too. We'll look at how to do some car air conditioning. And hopefully when I've got room, I'll finish getting this back together. Getting so close now. Just need something big to drive it with. That should be it. Thanks for watching. G'day folks. Just a quick electronics video for the start of the week. I'm just trying to get this old Intel Centrino thing back together again. It's a piece of junk. She's fried. I reckon the mainboard's completely fried. I've checked a few things on it. Checked the fusible link. Battery voltage is good, but it just doesn't work. So it's going back together again. I'm just going to give it back to the owner and say take it somewhere else. That's about all there is to it. That was fully plugged with dirt though, like there was no airflow coming off the heatsink pipe, and there's signs of moisture spillage or some kind of spillage flooding in the front of it under the PCB, so there's numerous contributing factors to what might have killed it. LCD's still going good. Just watching some cool shooting videos if anyone's into shooting and target, that sort of thing like that. Worth looking him up if you haven't already. Yeah, gonna fix that Bose soundstation thing. Easy enough. Part came in from In Vivo. Not bad. Only gripe was one of the micro switches was busted in transport, but I had a shitload of new replacements floating around, so I just chucked a new one on it. I'm not going to waste my time trying to return it. It's all good. It's only 32 quid. 32 pound, whatever you like to call it. And so fairly light little things. Creases on the back of it too from being pounded. Angry kids. Oh well.